A and B undertake a piece of work for 250 rupees. A alone can do the work in 5 days and B alone can do the work in 15 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 3 days. If everyone gets paid in proportion to the work done by them, they need not to mention this point because salaries or wages to be distributed only according to their work ratio. The amount of C will get is right. So మనకి total 250 rupees ఉన్నాయి. A 5 days లో చేస్తున్నారు, B 15 days లో చేస్తున్నారు. C హెల్ప్ తీసుకొని ABC ముగ్గురు 3 days లో వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే Cకి వచ్చే షేర్ ఎంత క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. రైట్. సో యూజింగ్ information, A can do it in 5 days, B can do it in 15 days, and all together, that is A, B, C together completed the work in 3 days. Now let's go for units method. LCM, total 15 units. A alone can do 3 units, B alone can do 1 unit, all together can do 5 units. Now this 5 units work is A, B, C's 1 day work, out of which A and B together do 4 units of work. Then 1 unit work is C's work out of 5 units. C work is 1 unit out of 5 units. So out of total amount 250 rupees, C's share is going to be 1/5 of 250. Ide question lo A share edinatlaithe ganaka A is getting 3 units out of 5 units. Amount is 250. And B efficiency is 1 unit out of 5 units, amount 250. So this is the one. So final answer is 50 rupees, first option. A dealer purchased an article for 900 rupees and fixes the list price in such a way that he gains 20% after allowing 10% of discount. Then the list price is how much? Now your question is about list price. Okay. Now he purchased article for 900 rupees. So cost price is 900. He fixes the list price such that he gains 20% even after giving a discount of 10%. 10% discount istunamu ante 90% of market price. And now that is 20% profit on 900 rupees, which is 180 profit. So 90% is equal to 1080 rupees. And your question is market price. 100% is equal to how much? 90. How many times? 12 times. 100 12 times? 1200. 1200 is our cost price, which is third option. Next. The cost price of 28 articles is equal to sale price of 21 articles. The percentage of profit is 28 articles cost price is equal to 21 articles selling price. Now the percentage of profit is. Now for these type of questions we already discussed. We go for rainbow. Cost price 21, selling price 28, profit 7 rupees. Out of cost price 21, 7 out of 21 in the sense 1/3, 1/3 in the sense 33 1/3% into 100. 1/3 into 100, 33 1/3%. So whenever, remember, number of articles information is there, we will go for rainbow multiplication. Okay. The last financial year, a car company sold 41,800 cars. In this year, the target is to sell 51,300. By what percentage must sales be increased? Instead of 41,800, now we have to make it 51,300. 2 zeros are quite common. So let us use only numbers 418 and then 513. Now to this, how much we should add to make it 513? That is, we have to add 95. So simplification easy ga ela cheyali anante, suppose దీనికి 100 యాడ్ చేద్దాం. 100 యాడ్ చేస్తే 518 రావాలి. కానీ 518 కంటే ఎంత తక్కువ ఉంది? 5 తక్కువ ఉంది. సో మనం 100 కి 5 తగ్గిస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ 95. సో we have to make it 95 from 418 percentages into 100. Now 10% of denominator is 41.8. 20% is exactly double, which is equal to 83.6, and still our numerator is more than that. So answer should be more than 20%. More than 20%, how many options are there? There is only one. 22, 8/11. That is final answer. Next. The speed of the boat in still water is 20 km per hour and the speed of the current is 5 km per hour. M and S are given. Then the time taken by the boat to travel 100 kilometers with the stream. With the stream meaning along with the stream, that is downstream. So to cover 100 kilometers along with the stream downstream speed, M plus S, which is equal to 25. 100 by 25, that is equal to 4 hours. Third option answer. If a sum of money doubles itself in 8 years, the interest rate percentage is. If sum becomes double, if I give you 100%, you should give me 200%. నేను 100 ఇస్తే మీరు 200 ఇవ్వాలి అంటే మీరు ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు 100 యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు సో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అబ్టైన్డ్ ఈస్ 100% in how many years 8 years so rate of interest per annum is equal to 100 by 8 which is 12.5% 1/8 percentages లో మనం fractional values to respective percentages discuss చేస్తుంటాం so there 1/8 is equal to 12.5% 1/8 12.5% like that you should remember x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 9 whole square is equal to 0, then the value of x plus y minus z is equal to. If this value is 0, this is 0 and this is 0, then total value is equal to 0. If x minus 5 whole square is 0, then x is equal to 5. Like that, y is equal to 2 and in the same way, z is equal to 9. Now your question is x plus y minus z. 7 minus 9, that is minus 2, third option answer. Next, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8 is equal to how much? Now, so when you have this, you know how to calculate x square plus 1 by x square. That is x plus 1 by x whole square, that is x square plus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x, that is plus 2. When plus 2 goes to the other side, that becomes minus 2. So that value is 3 square minus 2, which is equal to 7. Now, when you take square of this number, you'll get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. That is plus 2 is there. That goes to other side. That becomes 7 square 49 minus 2. Again, this ends with 7. 7 square 49 minus 2, which is equal to 47. Now, again take square of this number, x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8 plus 2 into x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Again, this value goes to the other side. Again, that becomes 47 square ends with 9 minus 2. So final answer should end with 7. I don't want to calculate how much is 47 square. Last digit verify chedam because most of the options are ending with different numbers except second and fourth. So 47 square minus 2 should be your answer. 47 square ends with 9. 9 minus 2 ends with 7. There is only one option. Answer 2207. Next. Points P, Q, R are on a circle such that angle at PQR is 40, angle at QRP is 60. Then the angle subtended by arc QR at the center is, okay, PQR. Let's take triangle like this, PQ and then R. Angle at Q is given as 40 degrees. Angle at R is given as 60 degrees. Then angle at P will be 40, 60, 100. Then this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Now, your question is then the angle subtended by arc QR at the center is, okay, QR at the center. If this is center O. Now, here, if the angle is 40 degrees, this is 20 and the other angle is also 20, the other side. Here 60, this is 30 and the other is also 30. Now for triangle OQR, we already have 20 and 30, that is equal to 50 degrees. Then angle at O is 180 degrees minus 50, which is equal to 130 degrees. 20, 30, 130. It has to be 130, right? No, sorry. You don't have to do that. Now, angle at O will be exactly, center O will be exactly 2 times of angle at P. As this is 80 degrees, angle at O should be 160 degrees. Angle at O should be 160 degrees. Fourth option answer. Angle at center O will be exactly double the angle at P. That is 2 times of 80, which is 160 degrees. Next, the ratio of angles of the triangle 1 is to 2 by 3 is to 3. The smallest angle is. As you have denominator 3, let's multiply every fraction with 3. Then it becomes 3 is to 2 is to 9. So total number of parts are 14 parts. 14 parts is equal to 180 degrees. Then one part is equal to 180 degrees divided by 14. Now your question is smallest angle. Smallest angle is 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to into 2. 2 how many times? 7 times. So denominator should be 7. So multiple options are there. Let's calculate 7 2 times 14, 40 we have. 7 5 times 35. Again we have 5 remainder by 7. 25 5 by 7 degrees. 25 5 by 7 degrees, third option answer. Alpha plus beta is 90 degrees. Alpha is to beta is 2 is to 1. So 2 parts and then 1 part. Total 3 parts. If 3 parts is 90, 1 part is 30. Alpha is 2 parts, which is equal to 60 degrees. Then beta is equal to 30 degrees. Now, ratio of cos alpha, cos beta is equal to. Cos alpha in the sense cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Ratio between both the numbers. Okay. 2 gets cancelled. 1 is to root 3. 1 is to root 3. First option is right answer. Next, the least number to be added, 13,851, to get a number which is exactly divisible by 87. So if you have any 11 multiple or 9 multiple, 7 multiple, something like that, we can verify that. But this can be written as 87 can be written as 3 times of 29. 3 times of 29. 3 multiplication we can verify. But using that also you will get multiple options because given number is 3 multiple. Given number is 3 multiple. So whatever number you want to add, that also should be 3 multiple. First option, third option, fourth option. 3 options are satisfying. So hence there is no other way, we have to solve it. 13,851. When you divide this with 87, how much remainder we are getting? Let's calculate that. 87 once, that is 87 only. Then remainder is 51, and then let's take another number 5. Now when you take 5 times of this, 6 times of this number, 80 into 6, 480. 6 into 7, 42. 480, 42. That is equal to exceeding 520. So hence we have to take only 5 times here. 5 times in the sense, take 10 times and make it half. 10 times is 870. Half of that is 435. 0. 51 minus 43, that is equal to 8. That is equal to 8. And then you also have one more one, that is 1 time. Now let's take 9 times of this number. 80 into 9, that is 720. 7 into 9, 63. That is equal to 783. So actually after this you are done with this, but I'll tell you now. 783. Now how much is the remainder? Remainder is 18. If your question is how much should be subtracted, then 18 should be subtracted to make it exactly 87 multiple. But your question is how much should be added. Now to this we need to add something else so that it becomes 87. So how much we should add in the sense, we have to add 69. When you add 69, then you will get 87. How much should be subtracted ante 18 subtract cheyali remainder. How much should be added ante difference of 81, 87 and then 18. Right? So ఇంత స్టెప్ కూడా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. యాక్చువల్లీ ప్రీవియస్ స్టెప్ లోనే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసినట్లు. ఇక్కడికి రాగానే ఈ ప్లేస్ లో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 10 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నెంబర్ ఉండాలి అని అంటే 870 ఉండాలి. 870 బదులు మనకి 801 ఉంది. అంటే ఎంత ఎక్స్ట్రాగా యాడ్ చేస్తే 801 కి ఎంత ఎక్స్ట్రాగా యాడ్ చేస్తే 870 వస్తుంది. We have to add 69. So in previous step itself we can close the answer. But do remember how much should be subtracted ante whatever remainder we get, that is extra value, leftover value. Remainder ante మిగిలిపోయింది. ఆ మిగిలిపోయింది తీసేసాము అనుకోండి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది. బట్ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి, హౌ మచ్ షుడ్ బి యాడెడ్. సో మనకి మిగిలిపోయిన రిమైండర్ 18 అనేది 87 అవ్వాలి అని అంటే ఇంకా ఎంత యాడ్ చేయాలి. Then answer is 87 minus 18, which is equal to 69. Next, 63. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 6 is added to both the numbers, the ratio becomes 2:3. The two numbers are. Initial values are 3 and then 5. Once when you add 6 to both numbers, it becomes 2:3. So we can write 2:3 as 4:6 also. So 3 parts 4 parts అయింది, 1 part పెరిగింది because of 6. 5 parts 6 parts అయింది, 1 part పెరిగింది because of 6. So 1 part is equal to 6. Numbers are, initial numbers are 3 parts and then 5 parts. 3 parts is 18 and then 5 parts is equal to 30. 5 parts is equal to 30. So 18 comma 30, fourth option answer. Average weight of 10 parcels is 1.7 kgs. Addition of another new article reduces the weight by 60 grams. What is the weight in kgs of the new parcel? Okay, initial 10 parcels ఉన్నాయి. 10 parcels average weight అనేది 1.7. so total weight ఎంత అంటే 17 kgs. 17 kgs. Now one more parcel is added. Now we have 11 parcels. Then average reduced by 60 grams. 1.7 kgs ని మనం 1700 grams అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. 1700 grams లో 60 grams తగ్గిపోయింది అని అంటే now you will have 1640 grams. 1640 grams can be treated as the average, that is equal to 1.64 kgs. 1.64 kgs is new average. Now like that we have 11 items. 11 items total in the sense into 11. That is 10 times of 1.64 and then 1 time of that. Total that is equal to 18.04. 18.04. Now 10 items weight is 17 kgs and 11 items weight is 18.04. So extra added is 1.04 kgs. That is equal to weight of the new parcel. 1.04, first option. Now your final question is actually you are given x value, y value and then z value. X is 999, y is 1000 and then z is 1001. Your question is to identify x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz divided by x minus y plus z. This is what your question. This value is equal to how much? Now if you look at this, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3abc 3xyz can be written as half of x plus y plus z into x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square. This is our numerator, divided by x minus y plus z. We have x minus y plus z. Okay, now substitute values here. X plus y plus z, sum of these three numbers. If one extra value upon 1000 మనకి 1 extra ఉంది, ఆ 1 దీనికి యాడ్ చేసామంటే 1000 అవుతాయి. So 2 in numerator will come to denominator. So let's first fix denominator. X minus y plus z. X minus y plus z అంటే ఫైనల్ గా పాజిటివ్ x plus z ఉన్నాయి. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే 2000 by minus 1000. 2000 minus 1000 అంటే 1000. So it is total denominator 2 into 1000. Now let's add x plus y plus z, that we got it as 3000 into x minus y square. Difference is 1, square is 1. Y minus z square. Difference is 1, 1 square is 1 plus x minus z 2. 2 square is equal to 4. 1000 gets cancelled. Sum of these numbers is equal to 6. 6 by 2 in the sense 3. 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. Answer 9. So we are changing our numerator x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz as half of x plus y plus z into x minus square plus y minus z square plus x minus z whole square. And then we are substituting values. Simply that. Next. So here also we have a by 1 minus 2a plus b by 1 minus 2b plus plus c by 1 minus 2c is equal to 1 by 2. Is equal to 1 by 2. Now your question is 1 minus 1 by 2a plus 1 by 1 minus 2b plus 1 by 1 minus 2c is equal to how much? Now here, when you take 2 to the numerator, you'll have 2a plus 1 minus 2a plus 2b by 1 minus 2b plus 2c by 1 minus 2c is equal to 1. We are just taking right hand side denominator to left hand side numerator. ఇప్పుడు మనకి అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ లో న్యూమరేటర్ వాల్యూస్ లో 1 ఉంది, బట్ డినామినేటర్ లో 1 మైనస్ 2a 1 మైనస్ 2b 1 మైనస్ 2c ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం 2a 2b 2c ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. హౌ టు డూ దట్? లెట్స్ సీ. నౌ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ పార్ట్. టు దిస్ వెన్ ఐఎమ్ యాడింగ్ 1, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ కూడా 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఆల్రెడీ మనకి 1 ఉంది, 1 కి ఇంకొక 1 యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. వాట్ ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ 1 హియర్? 2a by 1 minus 2a plus 1. So plus 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి we can take 1 minus 2a common, then that will become 2a plus 1 minus 2a. 1 minus 2a. This will come. So plus 2a minus 2a gets cancelled and 1 by 1 minus 2a. 1 by 1 minus 2a. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా దీనికి ఇంకొక ప్లస్ 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే, దీనికి ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక ప్లస్ 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే, ఇక్కడ కూడా 1 by 1 minus 2b, ఇక్కడ కూడా 1 by 1 minus 2b. సో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ మనం 3 యాడ్ చేసాం, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఆల్రెడీ 1 ఉంది, 1 కి ఇంకొక 3 యాడ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ 4 అవుతుంది. ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ 4. How to eliminate numerators? That's the key point here. When I add 1 1 1, total we are adding 3. So right hand side also add 3. That becomes 4. Answer 4. Option also 4. Next, in an isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and angle at A is 80 degrees. The bisector of BC meet at D. Then angle at BCD is equal to how much? Okay. This is A, B and then C. AB is equal to AC. Angle at A is already given as 80. Now your question is, the bisector of BC meet at point D. This is point D. Bisector. Bisector will divide this angle equally here at B and then C. Now the angle at BDC is equal to how much? That's your question. Okay. Now sum of total angles of B and C is equal to 100. Sum of angles of B and C, that is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100. As this is bisector, bisector at B and C will divide angles at B and D equally. If the total angle is equal to 100, angle at BDBC, DCB will be exactly half of that, that is 50 degrees. Then angle at D is equal to 180 minus 50, that is equal to 130 degrees. 130 degrees. This is one way you can answer this question. Otherwise, angle at D will be equal to 90 degrees plus theta by 2. Theta by 2 in the sense 40 degrees. If bisector meet outside, if bisector meets outside, we have seen these type of questions earlier also. If bisector meets outside, angle at this place will be 90 degrees minus theta by 2, and if they meet inside, angle at this place is equal to 90 degrees plus theta by 2, and angle theta is angle at A. So you can even use that concept also. As this is theta, angle at D is equal to 90 plus theta by 2, which is 40. 90 40 130 degrees. Third option. Next, The length of a chord which is at a distance of 12 centimeters from the center of a circle of radius 13 centimeters is. Okay. Now we have a circle here and there is a chord. This is our center. From center it is 12 centimeters. Now your question is to identify length of the chord. Now this can be treated as radius. This also can be treated as radius. Radius is already given as 13 and this is also 13. Now at this angle is equal to 90 degrees, right angle triangle, it should form Pythagoras triplet. So if it is 12 comma hypotenuse is 13, then adjacent side should be equal to 5 only. And for this triangle also, as this is right angle here, from this point to the other end, that is also equal to 5 centimeters. Then length of the chord is 5 plus 5, that is total 10 centimeters. That is first option. Next, theta is a positive acute angle and 7 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta is equal to 4. Then the value of theta is equal to, okay, 7 cos square theta can be written as cos square theta plus 3 cos square theta. 3 cos square theta, because we already have 3 sin square theta. To this number, if you add 3 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta, that will be equal to 3. And this value already is given as 4. And we need to calculate theta value. This value is equal to 3. When 3 goes to the other side, that becomes 4 minus 3, 1. 4 cos square theta is equal to 1. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4. From this, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. And they said theta is acute angle, so it should be definitely less than 90 degrees. And then positive angle. Okay. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. First option answer. Next. Radius of cross section of a solid right circular cylinder. For a cylinder, radius is 3.2 dm. Do remember 3.2 dm in the sense which is equal to 32 centimeters. 10 times of this. 1 dm is equal to 10 centimeters. 3.2 dm is equal to 3.2 into 10 centimeters, that is 32. The rod is melted and 44 equal solid cubes of side 8 centimeters are formed. Then the length of the rod is, okay. So cube is formed. Cube will be a 3-dimensional figure. Cube will be a 3-dimensional. Now, using one straight rod, cylindrical rod, we are melting it and again recreating 44 equal cubes, solid cubes. So, rod ni melt chesi, cubes form chesamu anante, in both cases lo, volume of the cylindrical rod should be equal to volume of 44 solid cubes. Now, for cylindrical rod, you are already given radius. Height is not there. Height in the sense length. So, ఇది మనం స్ట్రైట్ గా వర్టికల్ ప్లేస్ లో నిలబెట్టాము అని అనుకోండి, అది హైట్ అవుతుంది. అదే హారిజాంటల్ గా చూస్తే అది లెంత్ అవుతుంది. మిమ్మల్ని లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది రాడ్ అడిగారు. ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ దట్ ఈస్ హైట్. Pi is 22/7. They need not to mention that. Volume of the cylindrical rod is pi r square h. Pi 22/7 r square, that is 32 square into length, which is equal to height. That should be equal to volume of 44 cubes, and for cube side is given as 8. Then for cube volume is equal to a cube, that is equal to 8 cube. 22 2 times here. 32 can be written as 32 square can be written as 2 to the power of 10. So 2 to the power of 10 divided by 7 into L is equal to 2 into 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power of 2, that is equal to 2 to the power of 9. 2 power 10, 2 power 10 gets cancelled, then L is equal to 7 centimeters. So basically before that, after this statement you can verify. In denominator you have 7. In numerator you don't have 7. So length should be 7 multiple. So many options are there. All are 7 multiples. If out of options, if there is only one 7 multiple, you don't have to solve it. as multiple options are there, we are forcing to do it. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line. Okay, same straight line. This is length is 4 and from here to here that is equal to 9. 4 meters and then 9 meters. Total length is equal to 9. Now, straight line with it are complementary. With it are complementary. That's height of the tower is. Okay. Now this is your height of the tower. These two angle of elevations are complementary, they are saying. If this angle is theta degrees, then this is 90 minus theta degrees. Let's say height is equal to h. Now from this, tan 90 minus theta is equal to height by 4, opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 90 minus theta can be treated as cot theta also. Now for the triangle ABC, for the total triangle, this 9 meters is from the beginning, from the pole to this point, not from here to here. That is total length is 9 meters. Then tan theta is equal to, for the total circle, height by 9. When you know tan theta and cot theta, product of tan theta cot theta is equal to 1. Then h by 4 into h by 9 is equal to 1. That is h square is equal to 9 into 4, that is equal to 36. From this, height is equal to plus or minus 6. It cannot be minus, so it has to be positive. Fourth option answer. Next, we have data analysis now. This data is regarding distribution of marks distribution of 9th class students, number of students, y-axis, marks are in x-axis. Number of students who have secured marks less than 60. Marks less than 60. Okay. Less than 60 in the sense we should consider these two only. 60 marks is the benchmark here, and we have to consider the people who got less. 7 and 8, total 15. Second option answer. The average marks of students are, right, average marks. There are 7 people who got 20. So total marks obtained by those 7 people is 140. 8 people got 40. 8 into 40, that is equal to 320. 18 people got 60 marks. Then total marks obtained by those people is 1080. 4 people got 80 marks. Total is 320. And there are 13 people who got 100. Then sum is equal to 1300. Now, when you add both, you'll get 1400. 1400, 1300, 2700. 2700 plus 300, 3160. 3160. These are total marks obtained by how many number of students? 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 18, 33. 33 plus 4, 37. 37 plus 13, 50. So average marks is equal to divided by 50. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 316 by 5 in the sense, divided by 10 into 2. Divided by 10 is 31.6 into 2 in the sense, 63.2. 140, 320, 1080, 320, 1300, correct. 14, 27, 30, 3160, divided by 50. Yeah, it has to be 63.2. Average marks obtained by all the students is 63.2. That is right answer, no doubt about it. 63.2 is right answer. 15. 21, 25. Yeah, that is correct, no doubt. 74. Number of students who have scored between 39 to 40. 39 to 40 in the sense, those who got between them. That is equal to 18 people. 18 people are there. Between ante, you cannot take 40 marks and then 80 marks. Between, range majila undali. It cannot be including 39 and then 80. It is excluding them. Next 75, the percentage of students who have secured marks more than 59. More than 59. Percentage of students. So out of 50 people, you need to calculate percentage of students who secured more than 59. More than 59 in the sense 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 13, 35. So 35 people are there who got more than that. Percentage of students who have secured more marks than 59 marks. Yeah, percentage into 100. 35 out of 50. 52 times 35 to 70 percentage. Yes, marks more than 59. More than 59, it has to be 18 plus 4 plus 13. Total 35 members out of 50. 13 out of 50 is 70 percentage. Answer is right, no doubt. Options lay wrong unnai, e question key and then 74th question key. But answers are right. Our way is right. Okay. So we are done with this paper and we will meet in next class tomorrow. Thank you.